find some other nice people who will like me and accept me for who I am.
Hey guys, if you want to achieve this look right here, keep watching.
Yes, that's exactly what I'm talking about.
Welcome back. So I got this shaboy a little mic and it's okay. You can hear me a little clearer, but not much. Spend more money, right? Fuck me. So this video is going to be featuring the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collab. I love all the shades. They do swatch a little patchy. A lot of the cooler tone mattes swatch very patchy, and a few other mattes swatch patchy as well. But the shimmers, because of the oil content in them, they're superb, bitch. But just because something swatches patchy doesn't necessarily mean that it's gonna affect its performance on your eyes. Because the majority of the shades that swatch patchy, butter, bitch, they were butter on my eyes. The only one I did have a bit of an issue with was Rockstar, and that's from the Bling Boss palette. It kind of did that thing that happens with the Subculture shadows by Anastasia Beverly Hills, where when you apply it to your eyes, it kind of just stays in one spot. It'll blend this way, but it won't blend that way. It kind of won't budge. Overall, I really enjoy these palettes. But I'm gonna do a look for you guys now. So today, I'm gonna use the Ring the Alarm palette. I haven't done anything extra with this palette, and that is what I want to do today. Here we go. I want to bring these oranges down into a contour on my nose. So let's see where we go with that. So I'm taking this fluffy blending brush from Givenchy, and I'm gonna take Rush. And I'm gonna start right here, right below the front of my brow, and I'm gonna blend in a circle, blend that way, and then down that way. And I'm doing that little technique with my brush where I also flick upwards towards the brow and towards the bridge of my nose. Mom! I'm stopping here where the arch of my brow is, and then I'm going to continue doing this on that side. Now I'm going to take a Lyricus Terracotta shade. I'm going to focus it more in here, not along my nose, but more in my crease. I think I'm going to take the shade Framed now. I'm going to start focusing that out in my outer corner, and I'm going to smoke it out a little. I feel like Frame could be formulated a little better. Now I'm just pulling that shadow outwards. Like I said, I'm gonna make this shit work, but Jaclyn, we were all rooting for you. Oh my god. Now I'm taking the A25 blending brush by ABH, and I'm going to take this shade right here, Siren. And then I'm going to also focus that on my outer V. Ooh. She cute. Before this time, I've only used Siren once, and that was very tight along my lash line. I feel like Siren is frames more sophisticated older sister. Now I think I'm gonna take the shade Mugshot and I'm gonna smoke that all along my lower lash line. So I'm gonna go into the Armed and Gorgeous palette and I'm gonna take that juicy yellow. It's called Access. Access is I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say that. And I'm bringing that under where I applied the shade Mugshot. Okay, so I'm done with that yellow. I'm gonna go back into Siren. So I'm bringing that shade Siren again, and I'm connecting it from where it blended out, and I'm connecting that and blending until a fourth way down my lash line. And then I'm gonna take bomb ass, as Dennis would say. Dennis is the love of my life. I'm gonna take bomb ass and I'm gonna take the NYX glitter primer first, apply it all over my lid, and apply bomb ass over that. Oh my god, yes! And I'm going to take the shade Molly and apply it right in the center of my lid over Bombast. Now what I'm going to do is take that pencil brush again. I'm going to take Bombast and woo! I'm going to start here on my tear duct and I'm going to go about halfway down my eye. Okay, after you brought it down halfway down your lash line, I'm starting here again at my tear duct and I'm just bringing that red down a little. Now what I think I'm going to do is take the shade Boom right here. I'm also going to take that along my lash line. Now I'm going to take Lolly and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. And I know it's not going to be right enough for me to be by itself in my inner corner, so I'm going to do that and put something over it. So that's basically all I'm going to do to my eyes with this palette. I look a little dead, but that's always been my goal. We already know this. We already know this. I like that. So now that I'm done with the eyes, I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio. It's the Very Adore one. So I'm taking this big fluffy brush that I've talked about before. I got it my dad got it for me before I was married and she's still doing well. But I'm going to take this shade and this shade right here. And I am going to drape that blush all along my cheekbone, a little bit into my contour, and along my temple. Now that I'm done with the blush draping, if you did do this, you probably fucked with your brow a little bit, so you just gotta go back in, touch that up a little. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of my water activated face paints and I'm gonna drip her. Don't forget to add a little blush on your nose. You know there's always a look. I think I'm gonna take this orange color and the yellow color and I'm gonna drip them down. And this is how I drip. So this is a little paintbrush that I got from Michael's, I'm pretty sure. And I saturate it with water. I'm gonna start with the yellow. Swish it in there, back in the water. Swish it in. And once there's a sufficient amount of paint on there, go back in one more time in the water. And then it's gonna drip a little. And then wherever you want it to drip from, you just press against your skin a little. And then it should trickle down. Now, if you want it to stop, you take your paintbrush and right where the droplet is, it absorbs the rest of that water. Fuck. Fuck. Learn from my mistakes. Make sure the surrounding areas from the first droplet are dry, or else the next droplet is just gonna travel into its trail. It looks kind of cool. Okay, I guess I'm going back into yellow. Okay, sorry guys. So my camera's internal temperature was a little too hot, so fuck me, right? But I didn't do much extra. I just dripped it a little here, and then I added some little spots right there. Now what I'm gonna do, I think, because I feel like how bright these are, it's not cohesive. So I think I might want to do some drippage here or some splatter here. The way I do it, I usually don't do it with this brush. I would do it with an angled brush, and then I just flick my thumb against it, and then it'll spring back, and the splatter will do just that, splatter. So I think I want to add a wing. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. No, sir. So I'm going to apply my highlight now. And I know it looks a little odd. My mascara isn't on. There's no lashes. It's going to come at the end because I fucking hate applying lashes. I'm not even going to lie about it. But I'm going to take the Dream Glow Kit. She's a little fall outy. It's a beautiful palette, but the fall out. I'm going to take the shade Regal, and I'm putting that on my cheekbones. I'm also going to put Regal here in my inner corner. Lips. I'm diving back into my little ink of elation package that I was sent to me. I love it so much. I can't even get over it. But I'm not really sure what color I'm going to use. Yes, I do. Sienna. Should I apply gloss over this? I take it back. I don't want gloss. I don't want gloss. No gloss. I'm gonna apply lashes off camera and then we'll see if I apply freckles or anything else. I use the eye popping lashes from the Makeup Shack. I use the eye popping lashes from the Makeup Shack. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for the look. What do you want to call it? I don't know what to call it. But I do really enjoy the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill vault. Some of the shadows, I don't know what you were doing, Jaclyn. I don't know what you were reformulating because I didn't get any of that I saw in her video. Overall, it's super nice. Some shades do need a little more work that they said they put in, but at about $15 for each palette is shame bad. But if you like the video, please like, please subscribe, leave a comment. Bye y'all, bye, 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 bye.